Welcome back, guys. This episode is called What the F, X5. Guys, if you follow me on Instagram or the new Twitter, you will all know that I don't really film the X5 that much. We do a few DIY videos and stuff, but guys, this thing has given me a giant headache. That is why I've been daily driving the M3 for the past like 3 weeks, because of this thing here. So it's been good for the past like 2 solid years, guys. No real major issues, little things here and there. Bushings, we did that, alternator, we did that, all this stuff. Well, we dropped it off at the shop 3 weeks ago. The alternator went out again. It was under warranty, so easy replacement. While they were in there, they did a valve cover, and ever since then, it stayed in the shop for 3 weeks. Because they could not figure out why it's not running. It starts, the first 30 seconds is smooth, and then literally it goes haywire and starts backfiring and misfires on every single cylinder, and it's dumping oil all over the ground. As you can see, got like a ton of oil, and that's just from running it for like 1 minute. So we have to dig into this thing. I've already started kind of pulling it apart, guys. I got all the all the cover covers off, the vanity covers, had the all the micro filters and all that stuff pulled off, and we're about to pull the tire off so we can figure out what is going on. A few people have given me ideas here and there that the sensor on the back is broken from when they put the valve cover in. That could cause this issue. The valve cover itself not seated right could cause this issue. So I felt on the backside, and there feels like oil on the backside, but I don't know if that's like remnants or leftovers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the tire and pull all this your wheel well liner. They have a little inspection panel type of thing over here, and you're able to see like the header and a few other things, so you can see where we're leaking oil, so we can kind of figure out if it is the valve cover or is it something else that's leaking that we need to take care of. But there's a whole host of things that we need to try to figure out on this today, so let's get to it, guys. Those out. So let's pull that out. I was correct in my thinking that this inspection piece will not come off without the strut coming off. But we do have it loose enough that we can see in. And it does appear, I'm gonna look for my flashlight here. It does appear that the valve cover is leaking. But I won't know till I start the car and look while the car is running, so we can see if it's actually forcing oil out. Thing is, there's just a lot of oil in this area, so I'm thinking that's gotta be it. So just gonna start the car, run it, and see if that's the issue. Well, one of our issues, but let's start there. So guys, we're gonna take a break from this thing, and we're gonna take this thing to coffee and rice. Sunday outing. Usually happens every Sunday morning. Just depends. Today we actually had a lot of cars, so it's actually really cool. But it's been my first time to go back in a while. Saw AJ and a few other people that I haven't seen in a while, so it was really cool. Got to check out AJ's car in person finally. You saw it previously in this video, so guys, it was a good Sunday morning, but heading back home and back to the X5.